welcome to my new Guitar-Nerdery video. Today's topic is again the LD Meola strumming technique. I'm gonna deal with another trademark of Al's rhythm guitar playing, talking about playing fills that are as fast as 30 seconds. I have a bunch of exercises for you, and I promise this is gonna be a very sporty one. All exercises I'm gonna show are in 4/4 time signature. In the first 14 exercises, I'm simply gonna split every 4/4 bar into 4 parts, and I'm gonna puzzling around with blocks of 16th notes and 32nd notes. And I will show every exercise in 2 different tempos. The slow one will be 50 and the faster one will be 92. The first 4 exercises will be played completely with alternate strumming. And don't forget to tap along with your foot. Exercise number 1. 16, 16, 16, 32nd. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exercise number 2. 16, 16, 32nd, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exercise number 3. 16, 32nd, 16, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exercise number 4. 32nd, 16, 16, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to repeat the first and the fourth exercise, where we have these 3 packages of 16th notes after each other. And there we're going to play a different strumming pattern than alternate strumming. We're going to play down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Sound-wise, we get a package of 3 notes over the 16th, so we get a cross rhythm. Exercise number 1B. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exercise number 4B. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to repeat exercises number 2 and number 3, and the strumming pattern will be a little bit more tricky because now we do not have those 3/16 blocks after each other. We have one single block and 2 blocks of 16th notes. Exercise number 2 was 16, 16, 32nd, 16. For them 2 16th blocks, we use this pattern: down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. And the isolated 16th block at the end will be alternate strumming. And in exercise number 3, it will be exactly the other way around. There we have first that single 16th block where we use alternate strumming, and the second half of the bar will be those 2 blocks after each other of 16th notes where we use again down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Okay, let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4. To be fast, to be fast. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exercise number 3B. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next exercises will be alternate strumming only. 16, 32nd, 16, 32nd. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exercise number 6, 32nd, 16, 32nd, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exercise number 7, and now it's getting very demanding for the right hand because there are 2 blocks of 30 seconds after each other. It's gonna be 16, 30 second, 30 second, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exercise number 8. 30 second, 16, 16, 30 second. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exercise number 9. Now it's getting even harder. We get 3 blocks of 30 seconds. It's gonna be 16, 30 second, 30 second, 30 second. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exercise number 10. 30 second, 30 second, 30 second, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is pretty hard, but if you want your strumming sound like that of El Meola, you have to integrate into your grooves those 30-second fills. But no one ever told that playing El Meola stuff is a piece of cake. So, I wish you happy practicing. It's a lot of fun to do that. This was it for today. Next time I'm gonna continue with showing you some more exercises within that topic. Please like and subscribe, and I wish you a fine week. Bye!